MTSR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm just observing a Metsera, yeah, beautiful increase in price. Definitely have to give it that. But does it mean that it's a buy? I mean, having invested 5 figures in courses and mentors and having documented 39,000 videos with the most proof documented, I'm gonna say it's not it at the moment. It's not it. This is how my charts look like. So instead of just yapping, let me just show. Right, there you go. Because it's a bearish range, I'm approaching it with a sense of a correction lower, right? And unless I see that double break or any of that, then there's no way that I'm going to look to further take things down. I know how people like to assume things, but no, like not me. Why the heck would I force something, you know, that's not even supposed to be there? So that's how MTSR is looking like. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.